Hi friends, welcome to all. In this video we are going to see this packet tracer activity skills integration challenge. Before coming to this packet tracer activity, friends, if you are watching our channel first time, consider subscribing. Also don't forget to enable that bell icon near to your subscribe button so that you will get a notification message whenever we upload a new video. Okay, back to our packet tracer activity. Here we can see a addressing table which is incomplete. We will complete it as per the requirements. Here we can see the requirements. We will see one by one. Configure the initial settings on branch A and branch B, including the host name, banner, lines, and passwords. Use Cisco as the user exit password and a class as the privileged exit password. Then encrypt all passwords. That is basic configurations on this branch A and branch B routers. We can do that. Already we done all these basic configurations with our previous packet tracer activity. Anyway, so here we will recall all the concept. We will go to the router branch A, CLI, press return to get started. Okay, enable configure terminal. We will set the host name as branch A. Now we will set the banner MOTD. Banner MOTD. Then we will give the message with delimiter. We will give warning. Also we will end with the same delimiter. Okay, now we will set the line passwords. We will go to line VTY 0 to 15, all the lines. We will set the password as class. We will give Cisco. Now we will go to exit and we will go to line console 0 and we will give the password as Cisco. Login. Now we will enable secret as class. Also we will encrypt all the passwords whatever we given using service password encryption. Now we will go to the next router, that is branch A, CLI, press return to get started, enable configure terminal, host name as a branch -B. Now we will set banner MOTD warning. Okay, now we will enable secret as class. We will go to line console 0, password as Cisco, login. We will exit and we'll go to the next line, this VTY 0 to 15, all the lines, and we will set the password as Cisco. We will exit and we will encrypt all the plain text passwords by a service password encryption. Okay, we done the initial settings on these routers branch A and branch B. Next is LAN A1 is using the subnet 172.20.16.0/23. Assign the next available subnet to LAN A2 for a maximum of 250 hosts. Coming to our spreadsheet, there they mentioned for the network A1 they are using the IP address 172.20.16.0/23, and here we can see the broadcast address for this A1 network 172.20.17.255/23. And the next subnet we will use for the A2 network, and we require a total of 250 hosts. So we have this network address, so 172.20.18.0/24 till 18.255, and here we can see the prefix is /24. Okay, right. Next here we can see LAN B1 is using the subnet 2001 colon DB8 colon FADE colon 00 double F double colon slash 64. Its IPv6 address. Assign the next available subnet to LAN B2. Right. Coming to our spreadsheet for the network B1, they specified the subnet 2001 colon DB8 colon FADE colon 00FF double colon slash 64. And the next subnet we will use for this network B2. So here we can see 00FF. The next subnet will be obviously 0100. And next is finish documenting the addressing scheme in the addressing table using the following guidelines. Yes, so our addressing table is incomplete. We will complete this addressing table as per these requirements. Assign the first IP address for LAN A1, LAN A2, LAN B1 and LAN B2 to the router interface. Coming to our topology, here we can see A1 network 500 host. So here we will assign the first usable IP address for this interface G0/0 on this router branch A. Coming to our spreadsheet, here is our network address branch A G0/0. Here we will use the 16.1. Coming to the subnet mask, here we can see we used /23 as the prefix. So here the subnet mask will be 255.255.254.0. Coming to a topology for this network A2, for the interface gigabit Ethernet 0/1. Okay, we will use this address. We will copy this address. First usable IP address 18.1, and the subnet mask, here we can see the prefix as the /24. Subnet mask is 255.255.255.0. Coming to branch B, here we can see the network B1. Then for the interface gigabit Ethernet 0/0, we will use the IPv6 address. We will copy this address, and here we will use the first usable IPv6 address 1. Okay, and coming to the network B, for the interface G0/1, here is the IPv6 address. What is next? For the IPv4 networks, assign the last IPv4 address to the PCs. Okay, here we can see that is a PC-A1 and PC-A2. For these PCs, we will use the last usable IPv4 address. Coming to our spreadsheet, here we can see the broadcast address for this network A1. We will copy this address. Then coming to PC-A1, this is the address 254, 1 less than the broadcast address, and here is the subnet mask. Also we have to give the default gateway, the IP address of this interface G0/0 on this router branch A. Coming to this PC-A2, we will copy this address, broadcast address, and do 1 less than this broadcast address 254, and here is the subnet mask, then the default gateway. Next we can see for the IPv6 networks, assign the 16th IPv6 address to the PCs. So coming to this PC-B1, we have to use the 16th IPv6 address. We will copy this address. Okay, here we have to use the 16th IPv6 address. We know that in hexadecimal, F means It's a 15 in decimal. Then what is the 16th IPv6 address? It's obviously after F it will go to 10. So here we have to give a 10. Now coming to the device PC-B2, we will copy this IPv6 address and we will see 16th. Okay, 16th IPv6 address, it's 10 in hexadecimal. Here where is our default gateway for this PC-B1 and PC-B2? We will find it out. So we will go to our requirements. And here we can see configure the router's addressing according to your documentation. Include an appropriate description for each router interface. Branch-B uses FE80:B as the link local address. Yes, here we can see the link local address for this branch B router. This address will be the default gateway. We will copy this address and coming to our addressing table, default gateway. It's ready. Now we will configure our routers with the IP address and its a description. Right, first of all we will go to this branch A, CLI, press return to get started. Password, it's Cisco. Enable password is class. Configure terminal, we will go to the interface gigabit Ethernet 0/0 first. We will set the description for this interface. Description, we will give the description, it's LAN A1. Okay. Also we will set the IP address for this interface. Coming to our addressing table, here we can see IPv4 address for this interface G0/0 on this router branch A. We will copy this address and here we can see the submit to mask. Here is the IP address, so we will copy the submit to mask also. Right. Now we will press enter and we will give a no shut command. Okay, right. Now we will go to the next interface, that is a gigabit Ethernet 0/1. We will exit and we will go to the interface gigabit Ethernet 0/1 and here we will set the description. It's LAN A2. Okay. Then we will set the IP address. We will copy from our spreadsheet. It's here. And here is our submit to mask. .255.255.255.0 and we will give a no shut command. Now we will go to the interface G0/2. Here we can see that. We will exit and we will go to the interface gigabit Ethernet 0/2 and here we will set the IP address. Coming to our addressing table, we will copy this address. Here we can see the submit to mask. .255.255.255.252. No shutdown. Also we will set a description for this interface, so we will give to central. Okay. Now we will configure on this router branch B. Coming to CLI, press return to get started. Password is Cisco. Okay, once more we'll try working. Enable password is class. configure terminal, we will go to the interface gigabit Ethernet 0/0 and we will set the IPv6 address here. Here we can see the address. We will copy it. Okay. Also, we will set the link local address. IPv6 address, it's FE80:B as a link local IPv6 address. Now we will give a no-shut command. Also, we will give a description for this interface LAN B1. Now we will go to the next interface. We will exit interface gigabit Ethernet 0/1 and here we will set IPv6 address. Coming to our addressing table, here we can see the IPv6 address for this interface. We will copy it. And here we will set IPv6 address FE80:B as the link local address. We will give a no shutdown command. Also, we will give the description here as LAN B2. We will go to the next interface. Interface gigabit Ethernet 0/2. We will set the IPv6 address. Here we can see that we will copy this address. Also, we will set IPv6 address FE80:B as a link local. We will give no shutdown command. Also, we will set the description here to central. Yes, we configured our routers branch A and branch B as per our addressing table. What is next? Configure PCs with addressing according to your documentation. The DNS server addresses for IPv4 and IPv6 are shown in the topology. Okay, we can see those DNS server addresses for IPv4 and IPv6 here. Here we can see IPv4 and here we can see IPv6. This address I noted in our spreadsheet. Here we can see that. Now we will set IP address for these NG devices, these PCs. First of all, coming to PC-A1 desktop IP configuration. Here we will get the IP address for this PC1 is here. We will copy this address. Then this subnet mask. Then the default gateway. DNS server, it's here. Done. Now we will go to PC-A2 desktop IP configuration, PC-A2 IP address, subnet mask, default gateway, and the DNS server address. So it's ready. Now we will go to PC-B1 IP configuration. Here we will use IPv6 configuration. Coming to our spreadsheet. Here we will give our IPv6 address. It's a 2001:GB8 colon FADE colon, we have FF double colon 10, then the prefix 64, then coming to IPv6 gateway, it's FE80 double colon B, IPv6 DNS server, it's here. We will copy this address. Okay, it's done. And finally we will go to PC-B2 desktop IP configuration, IPv6 configuration. We will copy this address. Okay, then a /64. Okay, we are getting an error message, so we'll type it here, 2001 colon db8 colon FADE colon 100 double colon 10, and the prefix 64, IPv6 gateway FE80 double colon B, and here is our IPv6 DNS server address. Yes. Okay, all the configurations done. Here we can see our completion status. It's 74 out of 75. Something is missing. Okay, we will check with our results, assessment items, and here we can see, oh, host name may be incorrect what we set. We will go to our router branch and we will verify the router name branch. Oh, N is missing. Okay, we will set the correct host name as per the requirements. We will exit and we will set the host name as branch-B. Yes, now it's changed. Now here we can see the completion status. It's 75 out of 75. Okay, what is next? We will complete this activity. Verify connectivity between the IPv4 PCs and between the IPv6 PCs. Okay, we will ping from PC-A1 to PC-A2. We will get the IP address of a PC-A2. It's here. Coming to PC-A1, command prompt. Here we will ping to that PC-B. It's working. Now we will ping from this PC-B1 to PC-B2. We will get the IPv6 address of a PC-B2. Coming to PC-B1, command prompt. Here is the address. It's working. Next is verify the IPv4 PCs can access the web page at central.pka. Okay, we will try that. Coming to PC-A1 web browser. Here we will give the URL. We are waiting for the web page. Yes, so welcome to Central. It's working. Then verify the IPv6 PCs can access the web page at centralv6.pka. We will copy this URL and coming to PC-B1 browser. Here is our URL and we will try it. Welcome to Central. It's working. Well, that's all in this packet tracer activity skills integration challenge. So friends, subscribe and stay tuned for the future videos. We will meet again with the next video. Thank you.